Hey there, YouTube friends. It's Cinco de Mayo weekend, so I thought it would be very appropriate to share two very easy to make, very refreshing 3-ingredient summer cocktails. And I'm giving away a top tip on the most delicious Mexican Moscow mules. It's almost summer, and so I figured it would be a lot of fun today to share some very refreshing summer cocktails with you. So today I'm making a watermelon margarita and a Mexican Moscow Mule, and it's just in time for Cinco de Mayo. So I hope you enjoy. If you've been watching for a while, you know I like to try to use as many fresh ingredients as possible. I'm gonna show you some quick and easy ways. Enjoy. These are the most delicious watermelon margaritas if you are a tequila fan, and if it's summer, I'll bet you already have all the ingredients in your house. Of course, you will need watermelon juice, which I just make in my blender from fresh watermelon. And you really don't need much. You can save money by cutting it up yourself. A small watermelon will yield for me about 3 to 5 cups of juice. Now I'm using the juicing option on my blender, but if you don't have that option on your blender, it's no big deal with the watermelon. It's such a juicy fruit. There's not a lot of pulp involved, so you can strain it if you want to, but it's really not necessary. Once you're done juicing, you'll need to add 3 ounces of silver tequila and 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Add all 3 of those ingredients to a cocktail shaker with ice and shake away. Next, you'll want to line your margarita glasses with lime juice and then dip it in the margarita salt. That's really just a matter of preference. I don't like really sweet drinks, so with this margarita, I definitely line it in salt to just give it some balance. And you guys know I love a pretty cocktail, so I'm just garnishing with a couple of watermelon cubes and a beautiful cocktail stirrer. Now just add some ice to your glass, pour and enjoy. If you like watermelon and tequila, you are welcome in advance. It's a wonderfully refreshing cocktail. And I know some of you will probably ask, I found these really cute pink blingy cocktail stirrers in the clearance section at a Hobby Lobby. And next up, I'm serving the Mexican Moscow Mule. And here is an awesome secret / tip. See all that pulp on the bottom of the bottle? I use the extra spicy ginger beer. You can find it sometimes in Home Goods. If you do, pick some up. It is a game changer for this drink. Just make sure you shake it up really well before you open the bottle. But also make sure you open the bottle over a sink because we are dealing with bubbles. You don't want to make a big mess like I did. You really only need about 4 ounces of the spicy ginger beer, and then you're going to add 2 ounces of the silver tequila. And then finally, you're gonna add about 1.5 ounces of fresh lime juice. Next, you'll wanna mix it really well. You really don't want to shake this again because you've got bubbles involved and it just creates a big mess. So mix and then pour over ice. And I like to garnish this drink with fresh mint and lime slice. Like I said before, a really delicious and refreshing summer beverage. But they're honestly perfect for fall too. Do I have any football fans in the house? Comment below on your favorite NFL team. I'm a 3rd generation Tampa girl, so I love my Buccaneers no matter what. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy your family and friends. and have a great Cinco de Mayo weekend, and I'll see you back here next time at the Millionaire House. Cheers!